Hey, what's up guys, it's Buster14. We're gonna be doing a video, and today I'm gonna be doing, well, you had one job. And that is gonna be the focus of this video. I'm gonna be reacting to pictures of you had one job. And I'm gonna be getting these off the internet because I have not planned this at all. And I actually done videos, but then Roblox just crashed every time. And guys, I'm actually like sick. So I'm gonna try be energetic, but let's do this. I'm gonna go on to Google quick. Then you had one job. You had one job. Then we're gonna go into images, and I'm gonna be reacting to some. Let's go. First one. This one. Okay, this is just funny. So, okay, guys. So you know how roads are supposed to be straight? Yeah, well, this one completely ignored everything and just followed the line of a snake. It wanted to be a snake. You had one job. Yeah, you know, this is supposed to say school. This guy should probably go to school. He missed, like, his years of school. This is skin. This is the next image. Skull. You had one job to spell school. You can even ask somebody in the school, but you spelled it skull. This literally makes me want to think. Gate. You had one job. Oh my god. It is too short. A car can literally just go all the way around this damn thing. Why? Why did this thing? It went all the way. This car can just go all the way. You had one job, you have failed me. Next thing. You had one. You were trying to advertise something that does not work. Yeah, you can probably tell. It says it floats on water, but as you guys can just see from this picture, it clearly does not. It's sunk to the bottom of the water, and you can see that there is water. $1.99 sale. £1, $1.99 sale for one of them. Okay, that isn't even a sale. Okay, next one. You had one job. Why is Hulk in there? Hulk isn't a part of the TMNT. He isn't a part of it. Okay, Lord of the Rings. Wait, what? That's Harry Potter. Oh my god, Harry Potter. Next image. Entering Apple restriction zone. No free software. No installing apps from the web. No sharing music or books. We can remotely disable your apps and media. Your computer is your computer. Oh my god! Okay, this is really funny because as you guys can see in the background, this person has a device. It says, no free software, no installing from the web. They're literally using stuff. And this person too. Okay, this is just the biggest fail ever. Next picture. From Potato Bird. This is supposed to be potato bread, not potato bird. Somebody doesn't have that on their chin. Next one. Back to school. Alcohol. Yeah, I think that's probably for the parents. That's what's probably happening with the parents. Okay, next. You had one job. Oh my god. The thing that you're supposed to poke open is right there. But they placed the thing right there. These people, they're dumb. They should probably be fired. You had one job. It says, it's upside down. Yeah. Meanwhile, in Australia, crack 2 eggs to get 5. Wow. Okay, that is just crazy. Next one. Yellow mustard. Tomato ketchup. This is upside down. This is the odd one out. What the hell does it say? Oh, sweet relish. Okay. You are one job. Cool Blue. Oh, Cool Blue is my favorite Gatorade. I love Gatorade. Okay, wow. This is not Cool Blue Gatorade. Cool Blue is like cyanish color. Okay, next one. Please slow drive late. Okay, this person actually needs to go to school, like the other one. This one should just hit. It should say, go to school, kids. And always go to Dymart. If you're old, because probably halfway to Death's Door. Yeah, by the way, old people watching, Death's Door is right there. If you want to find it. Okay, guys, of course I'm kidding. Okay, well. McDonald's. Okay, and this should probably be here. This should probably be here. Swap it, please. Okay. In case of fire, use stairs. What the? Yeah, you're supposed to walk up the stairs, not use them as a damn whacker. Okay. This guy should be fired. This is literally... Look at this. The cheese is outside of the burger. What's the point in even buying a burger with cheese then? You could just pop it in there. Okay, you had one job. This is a PS4 and it says Xbox One. Okay, next. You had one job. Yeah, and this... By the way, guys, if you don't understand, this should be here. This is supposed to be here. But I guess somebody in the seats gets to see the thing up close. Like, I mean really up close because the seats are like down there. And this should be here. Okay, and that just doesn't make sense at all. Excellent. Great value tomatoes. This is egg. This does not make sense. Woman. When. You know, there's no such thing as men. It's only when. You should rethink that. I'm the best comedian. Okay, really, that's a joke. Okay, this is the other one. It all starts with the chicken. That's beef. Ground beef. You had one job. This person is literally gonna get run over. They're like, pretend this mouse is a person. They're gonna be like, do 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 do. This car comes. This person is dead now. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, punch that like button in the face and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to turn on the notifications. Goodbye.